Apple just did it again. The iPhone 17 colors have leaked, and they're turning heads. Forget everything you know about iPhone finishes, because this year, it's all about bold color, sky blue titanium, and a surprise shakeup in the Pro lineup. But is this just a cosmetic refresh, or something more? Let's break it all down. This is your full review of what's coming with the iPhone 17, and why it might be Apple's most stylish lineup ever. The standard iPhone 17 is getting a splash of personality. Two brand new colors are entering the lineup. A vibrant lime green, bright, citrusy, and full of energy. And a soft, elegant purple, similar to what we've seen on the iPad Air and iPad Mini. These new additions bring a playful but premium look. Apple seems to be dialing in its color choices. Classic black and white are likely staying, while some of the iPhone 16 colors like blue, pink, or the previous green might be retired. It's a refresh that keeps things clean but exciting. The iPhone 17 Air is set to replace the Plus model in Apple's lineup. It's expected to carry over the same color scheme as the base model, including lime green, purple, black, white, and possibly a few remaining shades from the iPhone 16. It won't be a proto device, so don't expect a titanium finish. Instead, think of it like a stylish bridge between the iPad Air and the standard iPhone. Thinner, lighter, and made for people who care about looks and size just as much as performance. Now for the premium models, iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. This year, Apple is spicing things up with a rumored sky blue color, lifted straight from the new MacBook Air M4. It's soft, modern, and a total shift from the usual dark tones. We're also likely to see returning finishes like natural titanium, black, white. One notable change? The desert titanium may be removed from the lineup, possibly to make room for the new sky blue. Apple likes to keep its Pro color options minimal and curated. Another design shift: the Apple logo is reportedly moving lower on the back of the Pro models. This small change aligns better with the redesigned rectangular camera bump and may improve MagSafe functionality. These subtle tweaks signal that Apple's not just changing colors, it's refining how the iPhone feels in your hand and how it functions with your accessories. Mark your calendars. The iPhone 17 launch is just around the corner. Apple's next keynote is expected around September 9th or 10th, with pre-orders likely going live that Friday, around September 13th. Devices should start arriving a week later, around September 19th, keeping in line with Apple's usual release rhythm. If you're planning an upgrade, this is the window to watch. Now for the all-important price tag. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to hold its current price of $999. The Pro Max will likely stay at $1,199, with 256 gigabytes as the new base storage. Apple hasn't changed this pricing structure in years, and unless global tariffs shift things unexpectedly, we don't anticipate a jump this year. Keep in mind, though, pricing outside the US may fluctuate depending on currency exchange rates and local tax policies. So, is the iPhone 17 lineup just another refresh? Not quite. With bold new colors, refined materials, and subtle but meaningful design changes, Apple's clearly putting a lot of thought into the aesthetics and feel of its next iPhone generation. Are you team sky blue, lime green, or sticking with the classics? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this breakdown helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more in-depth Apple coverage. More iPhone 17 content coming soon. Stay tuned.